is for the walls. This is for the front. Now we're finished. It's my house. Gummy bear lights, and this is my name lights, and this is the M&M lights. This is what we did. This is the light roof, and I'll show you the rest. So this is my door. This is the handle. This is the ding dong bell. This is the reef for the top of the house. This is the light reef, and this is, what is it that called?
It's a lamppost.
A lamppost. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas for you. Bye bye. Mwah. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button and